Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show how to draw shapes like polyline, polygon, rectangle, circle on a leaflet in React. So for this I'm going to use a package called React Leaflet Draw. So you need to use this package to draw shapes on your map. So let's go and check how to integrate this. So let's first install this plugin using npm. So this is my basic map where I have already uploaded the tutorial based on this. So you can go and check how to do this basic leaflet map. So I'm going to install React Leaflet Draw and Leaflet Draw package. Let's wait until this package is installed. Once this is installed, we will be importing the editor control from this, and we're going to use it inside our map component. So first let's import edit control from React Leaflet Draw. And then you need a feature group from React Leaflet to actually integrate this control. So we will import feature group from React Leaflet. So let's use this feature group and edit control together to actually create this draw controls. So inside feature group we need to use edit control, and we can specify the position for this, whether to go into the right corner or left corner. So I'm going to place it in the top right, so that should be top right. And then you can pass other parameters also to restrict what you need to see in that list. But once you create a shape, you need to know what shape has been created and its coordinates. For this you can use this onCreate function. So in this demo I'm not going to show how to get the lat long and store it in your state and all. So we are getting a problem append child of undefined. So that is because this top right should be in smaller case, in lower case. Okay, let's go ahead and check now. So now our control is visible, but the icons inside the control is not visible. That's because we forgot to import the CSS for leaflet draw. So we can import the CSS from leaflet draw package from its dist folder. Once this is integrated, we'll be able to see all the icons of each controls. Okay, now let's go ahead and check. Also, you need to pass this create option for this map. It's a callback, so it will provide whenever you create a shape, it will trigger this callback with those details of the created shape. In my next video I'm going to show how to create, edit and delete a polygon, so stay tuned for that. So let's create a shape. You are able to create a polygon, polyline. So once you click finish, this onCreate function will be triggered. So you will be able to draw all kind of shapes, but when you use this marker, you see that there's a broken image here. So that's a default issue in React Leaflet. So for this you need to import the entire leaflet package, and you need to assign icons to that, the marker icon manually to that. So you can find this code in my repository. I will give the link in the description. So you need to paste this, so this will actually fix that issue. So now if you see, we can click on a marker and we will be able to see the marker. So also you can create all kind of shapes as I mentioned before. Also you can have a circle marker. It is not a circle, it's a circle marker, so you cannot increase the radius of the circle. It is just instead of the marker icon, we are going to have a circle. So if you want to really draw a circle, there was an icon for a circle. You can use that to create a circle of any size, any radius. So this is the circle, and you can use edit to edit all the markers, that shapes that we just created, and you can also delete all those shapes. Once you click the shape, it will be deleted, but to persist it you need to click on the save button. So now it is saved. So this is very easy guys, and you can actually restrict on what shapes that you need to be displayed in your map. So for this I'm going to pass an object for this draw props, where I say rectangle false. That means I don't want to see rectangle. Circle false. For this I'm going to just have polygon. So I'm going to make everything as false except polygon. So the menu will be displayed with only polygon as an option. So if we go and check, we have polyline and polygon. So let's go and remove this polyline. Once this is removed, you will be able to see only polygon. So this is highly customizable. You can put whatever shapes that you need there. You can remove all others. So you can zoom in, zoom out, it will stay at the same scale.